gentlemen.
Se le prometí, yo voy a hacer un vlog de lo que está pasando. Así que vámonos pues. Oh. Not working. Doesn't look like it's working. Rejoin. Ok, parece que yo tengo que esperar hasta que la persona me deje entrar en este cuarto virtual. No entiendo. Vamos a averiguar qué pasa juntos. ¿Qué pasa? Let's see. We will use yes. Muchas gracias.
Hello?
Hello. Hello, yes.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, good. Nice day?
Yes. Nice day.
Sunny day at least.
Yes.
Where do you live? In Montreal area, Quebec?
Sorry, what did you say?
Where do you live? So before we start, as I told you last time, this program given for like last 6 years for people,
Okay.
just to help all the self-employment with the obligation, like taxes, income taxes, QPP, Quebec Pension Plan, how it works for self-employment.
Okay.
So just before we start, just give me an idea what are you doing and yeah.
So
Like for a business, yeah.
okay, so what I do as a business, okay, so it's a music label, so it's for self-employed music artists. So for myself is where I release my personal music, and I'll also mentor, or sometimes when I have contracts with production and stuff like that. So it's mainly for that.
Okay.
So it's a music related business, yes.
Okay, are you doing that for a full-time job, or do you have another?
Well, I'm self-employed, so it depends. So because it really depends. So I do it, I can say I'm self-employed full-time, but it's not like always that I'm on that. I also work on a, for a company to provide for those. Sometimes when there's there's a lack coming in. So I can say I'm full-time, but it doesn't mean that I'm always working for the company full-time. Yeah.
But when you work for this company, at the end of the year, they give you T4 for your taxes, yeah?
Exactly.
Or T4A.
T4 and T4A. T4, what is it? Oh, hold on. It's T1, I think, because I'm in Quebec. Is it T1?
Quebec is RL1.
RL1. RL1 and the T4, which comes deduction from the federal, right? So,
okay.
Yeah.
Good. Let's start this. I'm going to share my screen. I sent you some document with my email.
Yes.
So, yeah, I'm going to show you. It's coming.
Perfect.
So, the first one is this one.
Yes.
Okay? This is a guide, business and professional income. We call it here in Revenu Quebec the Bible of self-employment.
Okay.
There's a lot of information in this document. We're gonna pass through this document, but I have my PowerPoint just to, maybe sometimes we don't need to read all this in your case.
Okay.
It depends on your business. I'm gonna use my PowerPoint. I sent you also this one. This is like income tax return, which everybody has to do that once a year, as you know. So for self-employment, the money coming from a business, where you need to declare that, is that in your personal income tax, or do you need business income tax? In your case, it's gonna be your personal income tax. You can
Okay.
add that money coming like from self-employment. I'm going to show you that. But I just send you this document, the third one, this one. We call it TPAD. It comes like your financial statement if you want. It's just like your income. They're gonna help us for your professional fees of the year, and after which expenses you can deduct, just to get that netted. Normally, when you do income tax or your accountant, we need to send this document. The software gonna produce this for us. In your case, you have Excel sheet. You have like I don't know how do you accounting. How do you do that?
Well, I do it with my accountant, so we get together with, we do like a year, so,
But do you have Excel sheet at home for your expenses? Or how,
yes, exactly, I send that to her like that, yes.
That's exactly, it's gonna be your Excel sheet, this document exactly is your Excel sheet. So let's start now. The first thing you need to know is the legal form of business in Canada or in Quebec. Okay. There is only 3 legal forms. The first one is your case now, self-employed person. We call it also sole proprietorship or single owner registered. This is your case now, okay? The second legal form is this one, business corporation. People, they said, I have my company, I'm incorporated, that's the same thing. Okay, that's a lot of people has the legal form. And the third one is the partnership. It means you with some friend want to do business together, which is not company, it's gonna be like a partnership. So today we're gonna focus on the first one.
In my case, it's a bit, if I can add, I'm incorporated with the federal, but because my main, how can I say, because I'm still in Quebec, I still had to register as a self-employed for my taxes. So, yeah. So I have both, I guess. Yeah.
Like self-employed here in Quebec, the money is your money. You don't need to get salary from the business. That's your money. Just spend it at the end of the year. You pay tax on that. Can you hire people like self-employed? Yes, not only a corporation. You can hire people if you want one day.
Okay.
So that's what you need to know about this legal form.
Okay.
Now, we want to make sure that you are really self-employed. When you have that contract between you and your client, is that a relationship between you and the client is not like between you or an employer.
Okay.
Understand? They want to make sure that that's really the relationship between you is really in business, not working for somebody. Because sometimes they ask, okay, just work from not for me, like freelance, whatever, and you can just invoice me once or twice a month. I'm gonna pay you like that. I don't have to declare you, and you can get your expenses. Okay. That's why we need to clarify that. Normally, we're gonna look at these 6 criteria. The first one is very important.
Okay.
We're gonna ask you, is there any subordination to an employer? What does it mean? Do you feel it's like your client who is a boss? Okay. They ask you to start at 8 and finish at 5 or wherever. Some question like this. If it's yes, maybe they can tell you are not self-employed. You're still working for these people. But I think in your activities, this music, a lot of people there are self-employed.
Yes.
That's
yeah.
very, very common.
Yes, exactly.
So there's no problem with this for you. So now, what you need to do to be like legal with the government, registration to what? The first one is this one. Registrage d'entreprise du Québec. How is your French?
My French is good.
It's good, yeah.
Je comprends.
Oui. Yeah, this is one, it's not really in Quebec. It's you're gonna ask them. They're gonna give you a business number. You have it?
Yes, I have. Okay, so that's the thing. I have a business number already au fédéral. We are back. I am back. So I had this. Oh, me just realizing que empecé este video en español para ustedes. Tenía una videollamada con un trabajador de la agencia de impuestos de Quebec, porque como emprendedora con mi compañía hace como hace 2 años ahorita que tengo mi compañía de música, anyways. Sí, así que yo pienso que me han dado la oportunidad de darme un poquito más informaciones sobre cómo hacer mis impuestos, deducciones que puedo hacer cuando hago mis impuestos, mis taxes, impuestos. So basically, yeah, so an agent of CRA on the Quebec side. How's that called? Canada Revenue? No, it's not Canada. It's the Quebec Revenue Agency. Yeah. I had a call with them because my business, as I said in Spanish, I've been running my business for 2 years now. Yeah, my label. And so they gave me the opportunity to kind of just give me a bit more about information about taxes and so forth. But thank God I have a great accountant. But I did learn a lot today, so it's good. So he kind of just kind of neat for them to do that. I know that they have the same thing with CRA, but it's kind of nice because my main office is in Quebec, so that's why. Anyways, I'm kind of looking like this, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. So yeah, well, next vlog will probably be, I don't know if this vlog will be like back to back, but the next vlog I'm doing will be in Montreal. So if my stomach decides that it wants to settle down, because I just literally been surviving on, I had an omelet today, and I think that's when it started. My stomach can't probably deal with omelets anymore, or just eggs. Yeah, maybe it's reminding me when I was on prep and it just wants me to barf. And I've been surviving off like bread and butter, protein powder, and protein ice cream. I just want to sleep right now. I'm supposed to, the call finished early. I thought I would be late because there's the award show, but I just don't have the energy. I'm not gonna go. No voy a ir. But my sister-in-law was so nice. She's like, well, because we had a call this morning, and I just told her about like my appetite, mi apetito que no funciona, que no, it's like, no pasa nada, porque you don't want to do anything. And anyways, she's like, well, maybe I'm gonna check like if I can do dinner. She's so sweet. This lady is pregnant. And then she's like, and then she messaged me, she's like, I'm gonna send you a video of what we have so you can come by. I'm like, okay, maybe. And then this, after that, like 2 hours ago, I'm like, sis, I don't know if my stomach's like, I just had a bit of bread, and I'm like, I'm good. I'm gonna go sleep now. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this kind of vlog. So it's gonna, most of my vlogs are being a bit more like raw, no background music or whatnot, but I don't know. It's what it's gonna be for now, because my editing app kind of messed up. It's not the same one as, it's not the way it used to be. So I'm like, why am I gonna keep you for if you're not doing what you used to do? So I'm gonna probably have to find another editing app, or just doing it on my computer. But anyways, yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next vlog, como siempre. And yeah, Nancita Kapi, your favorite singer, songwriter. Nancita Kapi, su cantadora favorita. Besito.